Welcome to Learn and Play Kids channel.
I was reading a book. I was studying for an exam. I was cooking dinner. I was listening to music. I was walking in the park. I was painting a picture. I was laughing at a joke. I was swimming in the pool. I was playing a video game. I was working on a project. I was watering the plants. I was driving to work. I was cleaning the house. I was taking a nap. I was shopping for groceries. I was fixing the car. I was baking cookies. I was writing a letter. I was enjoying the sunset. I was knitting a scarf. I was meditating in the garden. I was folding the laundry. I was drawing a sketch. I was chatting with a friend. I was organizing my desk. I was exercising at the gym. I was brushing my teeth. I was putting on a coat. I was making a phone call. I was packing for a trap. I was browsing the internet. I was attending a meeting. I was catching up on email. I was fishing at the lake.
Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment and share.